What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your key fob on your 2019 Toyota RAV4. Now I'm going to be using a little flathead screwdriver to help me with this. You can get away with using like a butter knife or something, but I really do recommend finding a little flathead screwdriver before you start. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the key fob. I'm just going to push this button, slide it down, and the key will come right out. Now what we're going to do is split the remote, okay? And I'm going to do this with the front facing down, and I'm going to hold on to it pretty good, because when I split it open, all these buttons, they get loose, and we don't want to lose them or throw them around anywhere. It just makes the job harder, okay? So what we're going to do is just go ahead and get the flathead screwdriver like this and just pry the remote a little bit. You can see how it's split wide open. And I'm going to carefully take the back of it off, set it over here. I'm going to hold on to this guy like this, okay? Because all this can come out, all the buttons can come falling out, okay? So we're going to hold on pretty good. If you look, there's a little slot right here, and you're going to need something kind of small to pry the battery out, okay? So the battery size itself is a CR 2032. That's the size of the battery. I'm going to leave a link in the description box that's going to take you to some batteries on Amazon. So if you need to get some batteries, you can go there and buy some. And when you get your new one, you're gonna take it, make sure that the positive sign is up, and you're gonna slide it in to the left side first and just push it in, okay? And that's pretty much how you install the battery in the remote. And then just get the back cover, grab it. There's nothing special about this, and just sandwich it all back together, okay? You can stick your emergency key back in. And that's pretty much it. That's how you replace the battery in a 2019 Toyota RAV4. If the video was helpful, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button, and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you, and you guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.